Hey everybody, welcome back. We are looking at lesson 14-5 centimeters. So yesterday we talked about feet and inches, remembering that an inch is about the length of the tip of your thumb. So from your first knuckle to the end of your thumb, that's about an inch. Today we're going to think about centimeters, and centimeters are on the other side of that ruler. And a centimeter is about the width of the tip of your pinky. So if you want to look at that, that's about a centimeter. So you need your ruler, a pencil, and 3 objects around a centimeter. So go find 3 objects around your house. And you can use your finger to help guide you. Remember your pinky. It's about, the width of your pinky is about a centimeter. Okay? And then pause me and then come back and see me when you're ready. All right. So now that we have our 3 objects and our ruler, I'm going to put my ruler just right here in the screen. Number 1 says an item that is less than a centimeter. Well, my item is the end of my paper clip here. If I line it up on 0, it is smaller than a centimeter. So I'm going to draw my paper clip, and then I'm going to circle the end and put an arrow so that I know that end is less than a centimeter. Number 2 says something about 1 centimeter. Well, I have this that was on some bread, and I have a pen, a thumbtack pen. So, I'm going to use my ruler. That one is definitely not 1 centimeter. That's my bread closer. So, I'm hoping that this is. And it is. So, I'm going to draw my thumbtack. There's the top, and there's the little pin on it. Okay. And that's about 1 centimeter. It's a little bit less, but not much. And then more than a centimeter, this is actually almost 2 centimeters, is my bread closer. And let's see, this is my sketch of that. And that's going to be more than a centimeter. Okay. Set those items aside. Let's read the inside of our paper. Here we go. You can measure the lengths of objects in centimeters. This button is about 1 centimeter long. Measure carefully. This feather is about 6 centimeters long. And they did their best. See these dotted lines? That means they're estimating where it begins and ends. And it's about 6 centimeters. And our 4th box says, about how long is this ribbon? And again, here's those dotted lines. So that's representing the beginning and the ending. So it's about 8 centimeters long. All right, going on to the back of our page to our problem solving. Number 8, we're going to circle the better estimate. Is this die taller than 5 centimeters or shorter than 5 centimeters? Remember, you're using your guesstimation, your estimation. Don't get that ruler out. Number 9 says, is this stool taller than 20 centimeters or shorter than 20 centimeters? Number 10, using the ruler that they have on the paper for you, go ahead and tell me how long the pencil is. Okay, number 11. Find an object that you estimate is shorter than 10 centimeters. Make sure to check your estimate. Draw the object. So you get to pause the video again, go around your house and find something that is shorter than 10 centimeters. Make sure you draw a picture and you measure it and tell me exactly how many centimeters your object is. Go ahead and pause the video now. Welcome back. Here's the directions for the inside of your paper. First thing you're going to do on numbers 1 through 6 is to estimate how many centimeters each of these objects are. Okay. After you've done that, you're going to take your ruler and you are going to measure how many centimeters from dotted line to dotted line each object is. Now remember, yesterday we talked about on our rulers, sometimes they don't start right at the edge of our ruler. Make sure you watch for that. Find that 0 and line that nice line up with your line on your paper so that you get an exact measurement. Go ahead and measure each of those objects on your paper. On number 7, it says Jill estimates her book is 9 centimeters long. Is this a good estimate? Explain. Let's assume that her book is this math page. You're going to tell me yes or no and why you think that's a good estimate. So if you say yes, you need to tell me why you think yes. If you say no, you're going to tell me why you don't think that's correct. And just because is not an answer. Okay, as soon as you're done, grab your parent, have them check your work and make any corrections. And I will see you tomorrow.